Hello, young creators. Welcome to Buff Blocker, where you can learn to code like a pro. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple yet fun animation in Scratch. Are you ready to bring your ideas to life? Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the Scratch stage. This is where all action happens. The stage is two-dimensional space with an x-axis and a y-axis. The x-axis determines the horizontal position of your sprite. It starts from negative 240 and goes up to 240 on the right. The y-axis determines the vertical position of the sprite. It ranges from negative 180 at the bottom to the 180 at the top. Understanding these values help us position our sprite. Got it? Great. Now let's move to the fun part. So let me change the backdrop. So I'm going to pick this blue sky. I don't need this cat anymore. Let me delete that by clicking on this trash can. For our animation, let's choose a sprite. Let me click on the cat icon. From the sprite library, I'm going to pick a cool sprite like a unicorn running. Look at this. So let's add it to our stage. Isn't it looking great already? But wait, it's just standing there. Let's bring it to life by making it run from left side of the stage to the right side. Alright, let's start coding. From the motion, I'm going to pick the go to block. I want this unicorn should start from the very left side of the stage. So let me set the x value to negative 240. See, it reached the very left side of the stage. Okay, so let me put this under when green flag click. So you know that we have to run the program by clicking on this green flag. In the motion category, we have a block move 10 step. See, it is moving 10 steps forward because the direction is 90 degrees. As it's facing 90 degrees, it's moving towards right. Okay, so next I want to move this unicorn to the right side of the stage, exactly 240. So to move this character from left to right, I need to move probably 480 steps. So if I do this like 480 step, it will go directly to the right side. But I don't want to do like that. I want to move this gradually 10 steps. So I need to add more 10 steps, almost 48 10 steps because I'm moving this for 10 steps each time. So instead of adding multiple same block, I can use repeat block here. So repeat is a loop that used for repeating a set of instruction at a given number of time. As I want to move 480 steps, here I have a move block with 10 steps. Let me repeat this for 48 times. See the result. Once I click to the flag, it resets its position and start moving 10 steps 48 times. On the left side, you know this is the code palette. Um, i- okay, right next to this code tab, there is a tab named costumes. This is costumes tab of the sprite. Look at the costumes of this sprite. It has 6 costumes. When I switch the costumes to the next costume, it seems it's running, isn't it? So let's go back to the code. In the looks category, we have a block next costume. This one actually picks the very next costume in the order. When it reaches the last costume, it starts from the beginning. Let me place this after move 10 step. Look at the result. Wow, isn't it amazing? So see, but it's moving a bit faster. So I want to hold the execution. From the control, we have this wait block. Look at this. Let me set zero point 0.1 second. So see the result. I think this is good. Okay. So if I want to repeat this again and again, let me wrap the entire code with the forever block. See the result. So once the unicorn reaches the right side of the stage, it resets the position so it's coming back from the left side. Let's stop running this. So let's take a look at the flow. When I click the green flag, look at the forever. First, it's enter inside the forever block. It first resets its position, go to x value negative 240 and y value to negative 88. Then repeat 48 times, move 10 step, next costume, wait zero point 0.1 second. After it repeats 48 times, then it goes to the go to block, which is the first block in the forever. It repeat that again, because forever um, runs a set of instruction forever. It never ends. I hope you get this loop. So forever and repeat or loops. When we want to repeat a set of instruction many times or forever, we can use these blocks. So loops make your code more efficient and repeat action automatically. So you have learned how to create an animation in Scratch, explore the stage dimension, and even used a loop to make your code efficient. I hope you had fun creating this project with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Keep practicing.